Hey guys, get ready with me because today is the first day of March, but it is not St. Patrick's Day yet. But I just want to do a lime green or should I say like a lime lime green look for just to test out the look for St. Patrick's Day. And I have done these videos like that before, but I only did like several 1 or 2 videos. I forgot. I had to check on my channel to see how many makeup tutorial videos for St. Patrick's Day I have done. I might have done at least 1 video like that, but I had to do more. I'm not even too sure when is the St. Patrick's Day parade, but I saw the post on Instagram when I was scrolling, but I never attended to the St. Patrick's Day parade. Plus, I'm not going there at all just because I'm not Irish, but I just don't know what a St. Patrick's Day parade is all about. I've seen several of my friends that went in there and then posted the pictures on Instagram or making TikToks like this, but I never ever attended one before. Plus, I'm not going there at all, like I just told you before. Just because I'm not Irish does not mean I'm gonna go to a St. Patrick's Day parade, and that's okay. I just want to test out the look just for fun, just because I love the color green. Don't get me wrong, I love to do a St. Patty's Day looks. So if you want to see more before March the 17th, let me know in the comments. I wonder what look for March the 17th, the date of St. Patrick's Day. What am I gonna wear? There are plenty of colors of the green eyeshadows that I have looked at just because green colors are fun. I'm not gonna lie to you, I love all the green colors in one of my eyeshadow palettes. Several of them that has green colors, but I'm not too sure what colors to do for the date of St. Patrick's Day. But I'm thinking I want to do a emerald dark green look. I'm not sure about that, or maybe light green, I don't know. I had to look that up on Google, or if I want, I can just search one of those YouTube videos, look up St. Patty's Day makeup tutorials to see which look I wanted to test out. Alright, I'm gonna go with this palette first. So let's get started on that. And let's use the color Alive, which is a lime green color. It almost matches the blouse I'm wearing. But it's neon lime green. But it's okay though, because I love the color green. Yes, and I bought it from Primark since 2023. Which is actually cool though. If you're wondering why I said get ready with me, again, I will repeat this again. I'm not going to a St. Patty's Day parade. Not sure when's the day, but I will go to a photo shoot studio because I just want to do a photo shoot to start off March, because now we're in a new month. Because I love doing these looks like that, but I want to do more. So again, if you want to see more like this from my YouTube channel before March the 17th, let me know in the comments, because my last St. Patty's Day makeup look will be on March the 17th. And I'll do more every year. Anyways, update. I might want to go finish my music video for my new song, Dark Romance. I was supposed to start uploading it and then set a release date for my new song called Dark Romance, but unfortunately I want to continue to make more music before doing so, because I was thinking about promoting an album in the summer of 2026. If not, maybe in the summer of 2027, or those years are my predictions. I'm making guesses when do I want to drop an album for the first time, just because I dropped an EP back in the September of 2024. That was in the fall. And to this palette, but I'm gonna go with this color because I just want to mix up with this green color that I just did. So we're gonna use this color, by the way, to match the sweater that I'm wearing. I'm willing to finish the music video towards the end of March. I'm gonna say most likely either the end of March, but after St. Patrick's Day. If not, maybe during the spring break. I'll have the opportunity to go finish the music video because I want to drop the song so badly, because I think I had composed that since last year, since I returned to making music, and I wanted to do that and show everybody the music video as well. Now I'm gonna go with one more color, and I'm gonna go with this Budgie color. It's right there. This is like a light lime green color. I don't know if I'm saying it right. You can correct me in the comments if you want. It's spelled B-U-D-G-I-E. That's where I'm pointing at, right here. If you think I'm pronouncing that name of the color, the eyeshadow, wrong, let me know in the comments the correct pronunciation. Anyways, I definitely want to post more videos on my main YouTube channel, but I failed to post more in February, except I only posted the ones on February the 5th, where I celebrated the 4th anniversary of my YouTube channel, / being a YouTube star, starting a career on YouTube and post videos for the first time ever. I'm seriously gonna go with this color right there from that palette. I'm just gonna do one more and then we'll finish up with the eye makeup. Alright, so I'm just gonna go with this color. I'm just gonna put a little bit. I'm gonna press it slowly as well. Yep, just like that. Do the same thing on the other side of the lid. Okay, now to the eyeliner. Okay, to the waterline. Right there. Onto mascara. Yes, this makeup's gonna slay because we're in March right now. So I'm planning to do more of my YouTube videos on my main YouTube channel. I want to get like at least 200 subscribers by the end of this month. If not, maybe towards the end of April. Because I just want to go viral. Have the chance to boost up my audience. I'm doing my best at least. Alright, I'll do the lashes and I'll be right back. Alright, and now let's do lipstick. So I'm gonna go with this Tropical Coral lipstick first. And I'm gonna go with this Pink Pose lipstick as well. Alright, so the makeup's done, but I still gotta do my hair, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, this is the final look. Yay! So I just put half up and half down with curls. I'm gonna put the ponytail right there and I just curl it up as well. Pretty cool, huh? And I just curl my side bangs a little teeny bit, but I only did the corners part. I didn't do the entire thing because I didn't have time for that. But let's do the check. Yay! By the way, this is a lime green top I just bought from Primark. Olive green sweatpants with rhinestones right there, you see? And gold high heel sandals. Even though it does not match with the sweatpants, but just because I'm doing a photo shoot doesn't mean I can wear these high heel sandals if I want to. But it's okay though. You can just wear however you want. Alright, so thank you all for watching this makeup tutorial video for first day of March. And again, if you want to see more of these green looks before St. Patrick's Day on March the 17th, let me know in the comments and I'll do more videos on my main YouTube channel as well. Alright, so have a great day. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss new content from me. And see you all in my next video. Bye!